Heavy M tips and tricks number 3. This is the example of using masks within Heavy M. There may be cases where you want to be able to use specific areas in another program. For example, I have this example of Resolume Arena where I've used a mask to patch in this particular graphic, and then I have this mask inside of it. This is particularly useful in this particular case because I want to be able to see this as my background, but also be able to see the foreground of my Heavy M output. To create this, what I did was I actually created a mask from the graphics that I create within Heavy M. I simply selected all of my areas by making a duplicate or just copying in an area, so for example, or copying in the entire scene as a sequence. Then what I did was I selected all of the areas of my flashing lines on the outside and I put them in their own group and then made them invisible. So now I only see the things that I want selected as my mask. I converted all of those things to white by going up to my group effects, turning off the border, turning on the color, and then turning the color to white. Then what I did from here is I went to File and Export as Image. This will show up in the image file that you have set up for Heavy M. In my particular case, it actually goes to my documents, and then under my documents there'll be a Heavy M folder, and then under Heavy M folder there'll be an export folder, and what will happen is you'll see this. So here are my images of my masks, and as you can see I've done this mask technique quite a few times. This is very helpful for a quick and dirty version of a mask. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time.